Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
Today I made a soccer league. Today I'm going to present about an app which I made. It's about all my soccer league standings. We know what's happening in the Women's Soccer League, like standings, who's first, who's second, who's third, and we know who's on whose team. And so today I'll talk about why did I choose to make an app, and what is the app about, how does it help the school, and I'll take a tour of the app. So why did I choose to make an app?
Yeah.
I chose to make an app because soccer is my passion. It's like I want soccer to have more hype, more things in it. And I wanted to create something useful for others. Like Ahmed and Brother South are struggling, they're starting to make the standings. So I made it easier, better for them to you just have to put like the score, and then it will say who's first, who's second. And then the app puts everything in one place in the main page. It puts in the main page, and then so as soon as you open, you know who's first. What is the app about? It's about Women's Soccer League. It shows the standing. You can buy merchandise, watch games, listen to interviews, and watch highlights, and see who's on which team.
So complete package.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How does it help the school?
Yeah, tell me.
It saves. It helps like save time for people who are making the thing. It includes merchandise, interviews and stuff. For the merchandise, people don't need to come here and buy it. They can see it online, and then when they like it, they can come and buy it.
So you're not doing deliveries yet?
Yes.
I was going to ask you, that's going to cost a lot.
In the future, we will.
Okay, do you have any idea like how deliveries are going to work? Listen, it's doable. It's very doable. But have you thought about ways, for example, like me and you can partner one Wednesday a week. I'm gonna do my prep time. If it's within Cambridge, Kitchener, Waterloo, we can do 3-4 deliveries easily. We can also have delivery partners. Have you got into that yet or not?
No.
Okay.
And you know, in YouTube we have playlists, and then we have to scroll. We have too many playlists, so like we can't be searching for highlights. And then if you want a specific highlight, you have to go in the highlights and then search for the specific one. But like in the page, I made another like a page where you have the highlights. So you just open, and then you search what are you looking for? Like Alamir just says Phoenix.
Is it search with date like they have on Fubo? You can search the game with dates.
Yeah.
You can go a specific date and find.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. That's amazing.
And then I'll show the app in the video.
Please. Are you sure you can put the date and the game will come up? You can put the date, like the game that happened on that date will come up.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Can you put yours in?
What is
You
that?
have to log in.
Why don't you log in? You're the test. Can you not do it? Admin test? Yeah.
Shouldn't you log in with Google? So this is the main page. So after you see like it shows right here like which team is on the on first. Like I just put random numbers to like make sure.
Overcharge is not number one. It's not very random. It seems very intentional. That's okay.
And then total goals, like all the teams scored, and then top score.
Who's the top scorer? Oh, that's also coincidence.
I just put random because like.
Now you put yourself. It's okay. Yeah, continue.
And then these are the actual standings.
Okay.
But they're not real. I just put like a
Tell me what else is there.
And then you go in here, new match. I don't want people to add random matches, so like I put a password in it.
So this is admin's interface. Like,
So only the admins will know the password, so like they can change.
no, but what if I come as a user to see what is the next match? How would that work?
I haven't put.
Okay, put the password. Put the password. See how it works.
But you might want to change the password after this.
For now, yeah. Okay. So here, this is here you as an admin are going to upload what games are happening next.
No, the ones which are already happened. I was thinking of adding those, like I'll see.
Okay, go next.
Yeah,
Okay, go to history.
So like, and then in history, you can see the games that already happened.
Okay, wonderful, yeah.
And then,
Now, at the history point, is there, go back in history, is there videos attached there?
no.
Okay, because
It's here.
usually a lot of apps, they attach
It's here.
videos there
It's here.
too.
Here, watch games.
But is it possible technically to attach little condensed games here as well? Because most of the apps, they have games attached at that point as well.
We can do it.
We can do it, okay, wonderful. Next,
And
stats.
then we have
What about stats?
like how many people scored. Like,
So this is going to be a lot of work to consistently manage the stats. It takes like teams and teams of people who are doing it. Now with AI in the last few years,
no,
it
the only thing you have to do is add a new match and then it will set automatically.
No, but when you add the new match, how would that tell it then who scored the goal?
When we add the thing new match, in the last it says who scored, add goal scorers. When you add it, you couldn't see the names here.
Okay, because Saad sends me that information every time a game happens. In this game, every time a game happens, he sends me this person scored, that was. So I can send that to you, and then you can upload it there. Automatically, all the sets are updated. Okay,
See?
great.
You see goal scorers. When you add this, yeah, you can see who scored.
So all we have to do is work on this daily, and the stats are gonna update itself automatically.
Yes.
Wow, well done.
And then teams, you have to just press to see who's on whose team. Like you see all the names here.
Great.
And then interviews, I just pull like two.
Please play for any of them. You put highlights is there. That's awesome.
Look at that smile.
Oh, wow.
Pause, go back. Oh, awesome, this is amazing. Pause, it's not gonna stop. Okay, close it.
And then we have highlights for two highlights.
Who's gonna manage the highlights page? Because that's gonna be a lot of work.
I'll do it.
Okay, next merchandise.
And the merchandise, I put nothing here because like we have to take the pictures of the jerseys and the swords.
Okay, and what about the watch games?
You can see like the games that are happened already.
Okay, so this will be attached to the YouTube channel pretty much.
Yes.
Okay. What about adding another page to create a little bit of sensation and engagement, storylines? For example, if this week is starting, can we get a little ahead of there? Is Sharks finally going to win a game? Or another like I think who's gonna score the second goal? Is Amir finally making a comeback? Are we seeing them? Do you know how in sports magazines they have those
So I just add a new one here.
that
The upcoming games, so like every upcoming game you can put a story in.
Okay, Muqeeth, why do you want to do all this? What's the purpose behind it?
I don't know.
Great, what if I love flowers and I love cheesecake and I love cheese slices? It's not really purpose, right? Why do you want to do this?
To contribute to
What are you contributing to?
I'm helping people save their time.
Why do you want to save their time? They're already wasting time coming onto a soccer website, so what is the saving here?
It's basically helping Brother San and Ahmed.
Why do you want to help them with this project? What I'm saying is, why do you want to contribute and make soccer more effective? OMA soccer specifically. Why do you want to make it more effective? What's the big idea behind OMA soccer?
Like expand Islam.
Okay, wonderful. To get more children to be more engaged and attend Islamic schools, right? And that's what you want to be a part of. Mass production. If this app is used by, let's say, 50 users at the same time, does it go down immediately or whatever? How do you know that we tested it? And that's a question I'm asking everybody who's made an app.
I tried using 7 devices at the same time.
You tested it?
Yeah.
Bravo. Okay, because nobody else told me they've tested it. You're the only one who actually somehow logged in with 7 phones and tested it. Wonderful.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Anything else, Muqeeth?
No.
Okay, done.